do a buff off. I'm not gonna use it this time. Oops, sorry. Oops. Forgot to do that this time. There we go. Put a little bit on there. We'll buff off. Okay, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this. I'm not the best at rotary. I will not say that, but I think it's an art to learn the rotary. It's definitely a very cool tool. Whenever you learn it, it has its benefits, and I think it's cool. I think it's just fun. So it's always fun to learn something new, and I'll bring y'all in and show you the difference. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna make sure I can get the light, and I will bring y'all in. So here we go. All right. So if y'all can see that, let me get over here. So this is where we were. I love this little lamp. Great little LED. If I can keep my keep it tight. Hold on. Here we go. There's where we were, and no more. Okay, so that's where the 2000 grit was. You'll see it pick back up right there. Come back over here, 3000 grit, where we polished, and it's no more. So it's that little section. So you can see the clarity. I hope y'all can see the clarity. This 0302 by Koch Chemie is very cool. So it's just got a lot of clarity, really good on a DA, especially if you're out of direct sunlight. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoy it. Hope y'all like the little demo. And yeah, so anybody, you can do it. You can learn it. All right, let me get down here. You can see it a little bit right there. Make sure I get that. And then come back over here. Lift it up. Lift it up all the way. And they go away. 3000 or 2000. Right there. So if I messed that up in the video, let me make sure. This is 3000. This is 3000 right here, and this is 2000. So hopefully I didn't mess that up in the video, so forgive me. So 2000, 3000. Anyways, we'll go back over here one more time. $2,000, no more. 3,000, no more. Okay, there you go. You see a little bit of the difference right there. That, come back. There we go. All right. Well, anyways, I love y'all. Hope y'all have a great day. Keep it simple, and yeah, anybody can use a rotary and make it look amazing. I'll catch y'all later. Y'all take it easy. Bye.